Today I'm going to be copying successful Fortnite maps that make over $100,000 a month or more so you guys can understand the exact fundamental and reasoning behind why games are actually successful so you guys can make more money online. For example, this game right here called Gearsy the Pit. You may think this game is just all fine and dandy, but as you actually peel the curtains, this game has a lot of tricks up its sleeve that is not mentioning to hack the psychology of the players and have them want to play longer, which is in doing so making them over $30,000 a day. So throughout this video, I'm going to be copying the exact fundamentals and strategies that they're using to get $30,000 a day so then you guys at home can do the same as well. So right now I'm about to jump in this game and show you guys the exact reasoning behind why they're making so much money, and then I'm going to replicate and do the same live in front of you guys so you guys can actually understand and implement the entire thought process of what actually makes a successful Fortnite map that makes money online. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we are inside of Gearsy's pit right now, and as you guys can see at the start of the screen, we have the build resetting in 10 minutes to constantly stimulate the players, and we have a whole bunch of HUD UI popping up on the screen to stimulate the players as well. We have 12 people inside of this game because this is an action-packed game. As you guys can see, we have a whole bunch of weapons here that are max rarity. If you guys have blue weapons in your game, that's not attractive. People want the gold guns. Everyone wants the highest rarity and highest attribute in a form of everything. If you guys look here, we have custom matchmaking portals. So let's just say a person gets bored. Well, they can actually go inside of the next game, inside of zero builds, or just hop back inside of the pit. And of course, guys, the like and favorite area here, which is prompting viewers to actually like and favorite the game, which will in doing so boost their players inside of the algorithm in the like and favorite selected tabs. And of course, we have special events here. All right, smaller map, 3 minutes. So you can actually buy special events in the side of the pit that will customize the availability for other players and make it more stimulating and attractive. Here we have the item shop. As you guys can see here, we have timed rewards as well. So to get the boogie bombs and the mythic goldfish, you have to wait 30 minutes to actually get inside of the game. That is very clever because Fortnite boosts playtime, if you guys did not know already. And here we have zero build, where for 80 gold, you can have zero builds because now you're going to be dying more, you're going to be respawning more, and you're going to be jumping back in the pit because now you're mad because your buddy just put on zero builds and the game's meant for building. And now we have a prize wheel, where for 15 gold, we can get a random mythic, exotic, legendary, or epic rarity item. What this is doing is it's rewarding kills in playtime. As I hop in this pit and show you and get my first kill, you're going to see very, very soon here. So as you can see, I'm going to jump down here. Sadly, I died. This is the stimulus of the game, guys. It needs to be fun and enjoying for lots of players. Even this here, guys, having your stats show right in the middle. Let me show you guys what happens when you get a kill. Because this game is promoted heavily as like some XP glitch. It is. It's like, hey, if you play this game, you're going to get a lot of XP. I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to get a kill right now. Come on. There you go. Look, 4,000 XP, guys. 4,000 XP for a single kill. Did you guys not see that? That is ridiculous, bro. That is so ridiculous. And we have the leaderboard on the top right of showing who's actually in head of the island. Somehow this guy has 7,000 kills. How is that even possible? Did he drop a nuke or something? And here we have more timed rewards that are exotic and mythic weapons. So I'm speaking directly to you guys at home watching this video. You need to be adding stimulating features inside of your games. For example, timed rewards, prize wheels, super strength, powers and abilities, displaying your stats, mythic and exotic weapons, having fun events, having item shops on timed rewards, and having random loadout selectors as well. Watch this, guys. When I press this button, I will now have a random loadout. Everything is just built to stimulate the player. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? Because guys, this game has made $20 million, okay? That does not happen on accident. So now I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process. Now that I showed you the psychology hacks that he's using to stimulate the players and manipulate the algorithm, now I'm going to be actually showing you in depth of how to actually replicate a game like this that's making over $30,000 a day. Alright guys, so we are loaded inside of UEFN right now. Now I'm going to be building the exact fundamentals and principles that Gearsy is using to make $30,000 a day. As you guys can see, we're about to load up inside of the island that I've custom built that you guys can actually have on your own as well inside of Fort Mafia, which is only $1 one time forever. I'm not here to take your money. If you want to learn more, you can click the link in the description. We're seriously going to get rich together. But we're about to load inside of this game right now and unpack everything that I've added and innovated onto to make this game do better than Gearsy's, the man himself. So as we load inside of this game and we pan around here, all we have is just the dome pit, okay? But it is a lot more attractive and stimulating than Gearsy's by far. We have a 40-minute vault here, so the person's going to have to wait even longer to get the stimulating rewards. We have build resets in 4 minutes instead of 10 minutes, so it's more constant stimulus and action. We have a mod bench so people can customize their weapons. We have custom banner ads that are stimulating and colorful because kids love bright colors. We have all of the weapons that you need. We have an item shop that people can buy to get mythic and exotics. We have the snipers. We have player spawners, custom mythic vending machines, powers and abilities that people can buy, random loot, all of the healables and custom throwables. And we have this massive dome tilted pit area where we have the fully custom tilted towers inside of Fortnite. I've implemented and put in all of the buildings inside of UEFN, so it's a one-to-one replica. We have the basketball court here. We have the brick building, the graffiti on the wall, just like season 4 in that one trailer, if you guys know what I mean. We have the L towers, the L buildings. This is constant stimulus for the player because like when you guys are making your games, you guys want to have like this type of symmetry with it. Like it needs to be visually appealing, you know what I mean? Like we even have the underground area where the chest is. So if I go here, we even have the underground area here. So I put a lot of work inside of this game because if you were dropping from the pit area and you're like, oh my god, this is the pit, this is the pit. No, it's actually the tilted pit. You know what I'm saying? Like you need to be innovative. You need to have innovative concepts. So you go inside of this mutator zone and you drop down and you have this dome area inside of a zero build and regular build setting that you can toggle off and on where you can fight fight to the death and unlock mythic items, powers and abilities, rewards, everything you can think of. So now I'm going to go inside of the game because this game is actually publicly available and live and show you guys how much money this game has actually made for me copying and innovating off of Gearsy's The Pit. Okay, so we're inside of my game right now. Let me show you what I actually have now. So I already went over what's actually in the game, but visually we have not seen it because I actually put a secret code inside of the game that will take you to a secret vault that will boost the playtime and make me more money online. All right, so we go inside of the game, we jump down inside of the pit, and it's a 0 build setting. So as we all know, one-shot games are super popular and relevant right now. There are so many gun games that are very, very popular and trending and going viral each and every day. So that is why essentially I made this game one-shot. But as you walk inside of the buildings, I do have a secret spot that I actually put inside of this world. It's like a button. It's invisible. I kind of forgot where I put it. But right now in the comments, let me know what type of games you guys are working on. Because I seriously want all of you guys to make money online with me together. Because the more money that we make as a community, the more fulfilled I will be. Because I will be at more peace knowing that I've actually had a significant impact on your guys' lives. I believe the button is here. Nope, never mind. That's the door. Okay, I kind of vividly remembering it, putting it in Tilted Towers. I'm not kidding. It has to be inside of this building. Bro, where is this button? But like I was saying earlier, guys, you do need to be innovative. Like as I walk to the edge of the water here, it looks like it's lasting forever. You guys need to have visual components that stimulate the players too. If you guys need help, you can reach out to me, man. Join the Discord. Join the community of thousands of people all trying to make money online together. Like join the community, guys. Well, I guess we have this in my game, which I didn't know was there, but I can literally just walk under the map, guys. I didn't even know this was in my own game, guys. Bro, I can literally just walk under on my own game. Dude, this would be such a cool spot to just hide out in. And you could probably just shoot people from below. Now that's actually so cool. That's actually super lit. But still, bro, like what the hell? I didn't even know I could do that in my own game. So you guys definitely want to be fixing the bugs inside of your own world because you don't want to be having like flickering things like that over there. How far can I walk under without getting killed? Like there has to be a death barrier zone that I put in here, right? I could literally just walk under a mountain. That's actually kind of crazy. That's so surreal. That's actually so wild. What if I could like mantle onto one of these objects here? That'd be so funny. But this is what Tilted Towers looks, guys. If you ever wanted to know what Tilted Towers looks under the map, this is exactly what it looks like. So now the last thing that I want to go over finally is marketing and promotion because I know a lot of you guys ask at marketing your games. You guys tell me in the comments, you tell me in the Discord. You're like, Davey, how do I market my game? How do I promote my game like you effectively that will get thousands of players like you have had on your own game? And this is what I have to say for that. Let me show you. So we're going to go to Gearsy's The Pit game here, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So as you guys can see, if we head on into his TikTok, he has 600,000 followers, which is quite a lot, right? And let me show you how he's promoting his game. So we go inside of the game, and he's promoting it with OP items and AI voices. So we go here, we turn the audio up. Inside of his video, he's promoting like events and live events inside of his games with like yeets or like musical sound effects to stimulate the players. There's more videos right here with traps. These are essentially live events that he's adding inside of his games weekly, so it looks like it's constant fresh, you know, because you want to be promoting your game as well, but you also want to be talking about new features that you're adding as well. You don't want to just be saying, hey, play my game. Why not show the visual cool components of the game as well? And that is why he's essentially averaging thousands and thousands of views inside of his game. Like this one has 7,000, 18,000, 9,000, 20,000. He's getting thousands of views, but it's not really hitting the million view bracket. But that's okay though. What did you guys think of this video? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something because I copied successful Fortnite maps and made a lot of money online doing so. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments with your thoughts and suggestions down below of other videos you want to see as well. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace.